Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So guys, let's get started trading session. Today I'm gonna open $100 position. We are trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's choose indicators. Today we are gonna need this only one. It's gonna be the alligator, so we open position along the direction of the trend. And trying to catch both pullbacks and correction, so we trade with the trend. That's our strategy, and it's really simple for the beginners. So if you're new in trading, this video is gonna help you a lot, so watch till the end and you will be able to make good money very soon. So let's get started, guys. Let's find the better currency pair. During my trading session, you understand the principle of position entry. I see a good one here. Look at this huge green candle. This pullback is happening and it seems like we should open a short here. I'll point out the workspace. Well, let's start analyzing. We observe the rejection from this resistance zone here. The price started going down. All the indicators, moving average, are also facing downtrends. And then we see this massive pullback. The price started going up, and here we open a short position ahead of the market because the moving average are facing downwards. That's why we open a short position here. So we released that this pullback is gonna be over by very soon. And there is less than 10 seconds left before the closing, and basically the position was opened correctly and the first position is in a profit, guys. Well, there is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair for the most promising position entry. Let's consider all the options. We see massive pullback here, and it makes sense to open a short position. I'll point out the workspace. So we release, actually we had better point out this price range. We see that this resistance zone played out here. The price has gone lower and again another resistance played out. And the price started hitting down. Well, this is a very good dump and the alligator moving average are facing downwards. Here we observe a similar pullback, after which we are gonna see the continuation of the downward dynamics. So you see that we open ahead of the market, nice trade entry level. And basically a high volatility red candle shows up, nice downward dynamics. I'm totally okay with it. And there is 5 seconds left before the closing. And there we go. Position has been closed in profit, guys. So there is no stopping here. Let's find the next currency pair. Well, let's continue analyzing. We are gonna look for a good trade entry. I think here the price is gonna hold at this level for a while. And the best option here is opening a short, not a long, guys. Because I think that the accumulation zone is gonna be formed at this level. In addition, the support zone also played out at this level, and the price started going up. But then we point out this price range, and theoretically the price is likely to move within this area. That's why opening a short was the best option here, and I am sure that it wasn't a mistake. So let's watch. Actually the candle went upwards at the beginning, but then we see the impulse red candle here. The trade entry level has been closed. 5 more seconds, guys. Let's wait for the outcome. Another position has been closed with a profit. It was pretty obvious, very confident trade entry, which ended up in profits. And let's find another currency pair, guys. Let's continue analyzing. Well, here we see these huge pumps, and let's open a short position again. I'll point out the workspace, and I'm sure that the upward dynamics should be over here, and the position was opened perfectly. There are ways of updating of the local highs, and the price should move downwards. Here we see a beautiful pump, and basically we are playing ahead of the market. So after this skyrocketing, some kind of correction should take place here, because there was a prolonged correction, then this massive pullback, and now the price should go down again. That's why we opened the short, guys, and as you can see, we calculated it perfectly, and there are several seconds left before the closing. Good job, guys. Another position has been closed in profit. Brilliant analysis. The strategy is absolutely straightforward. So try it in your own trading. I'll be happy. So let's change the currency pair. And let's continue analyzing. Here we open a long right away. Let's select the workspace. So we've managed to notice a promising trade entry. According to the price dynamics we released, that the trend is more upwards. Actually, it remains a sideways trend, but still, it seems like the downward dynamics dominates here. Price rockets up from the support level. Then there was a good correction here, after which the next support played out, and the price starts going upwards. So I think this price opens currently. We also observe a good correction here, after which we are gonna see the rebound and the price will go to the upside again. That's why we open the long position, guys. And there are several seconds left before the closing. Yes, guys, very nice. Another position is in the profit. Brilliant analysis. We did great, guys. So let's continue the trading session and have a look at the potential trading opportunities. Let's choose this currency pair and open a long here. Actually, we should pay close attention to this price zone. There was a massive correction, after which I'm more than sure that the support zone played out here. We are seeing the price recovery. The price is gradually going up, which is logical. All the alligators moving coverage are facing upwards. This is a good signal for us. The teeny correction took place here, but this is typical for this kind of movement. And then we're expecting to see the price rebound, and the price will continue moving upwards. That's why we open the long position, guys. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. So we ended up with 0. Actually, it had to close in profits, but there was a downward impulse at the end. But it's fine. This is a trading, guys. We can't win 100% of sideways position. So let's continue analyzing, and we are gonna find the next currency pair. Let's see what do we got here. Well, I guess we should open a long position without hesitation. There is sideways trend. Actually, it's not recommend to open in such situation when we use these indicators. But basically, the price range is clear for me. We have managed to catch a good trade entry, the touch of the support zone. Actually, this is level is really strong, after which the price should be rejected and start moving up and eventually reaches support or resistance zone. Either this or that one. Anyway, the position entry is completely justified, and there are several seconds left before the closing. And the breakdown event is gonna happen in the end. Our position has been closed in profit. We got lucky here. The candle moved upwards at the last moment. Well, that was close anyway, it was expected, so let's continue the trading session and open a few more positions in order to consolidate our gains. So let's see, we had better open a short here. This one looks good. Well, the upward trend dominates here according to the alligator, but my thinking is that the price is somewhere in the middle, some kind of sideways here. And why do we open a short? Because we see the strong support zone here, and basically we observe the touch of the support zone, and so a small correction looks absolutely healthy here. So we played ahead of the market because we detected this strong support zone. So we see that the sideways movement dominates here, the flat has been formed, and the price should move downwards. So let's watch, guys. And there we go. Another position has been closed in profits. Look, the breakdown has eventually happened at the end exactly as I predicted. There was the touch of resistance zone and the price went into a slight correction exactly as I predicted. So guys, let's open the final position in order to consolidate our profit. Let's continue analyzing and find the most profitable payout rate. Well, and let's open a long here, a good position entry, but we've missed the desired level. We opened at this level, but it's fine, so it's gonna work. There is a good correction here. The alligators moving coverage are facing upwards, which is a bullish signal. Alligator jaws is widely open, and it tells us that the uptrend is dominating here, and basically the position was opened correctly, and yep, the price is heading upwards, as simple as that. So let's watch, guys. And another position is in a profit, guys. That's what we managed to reach today. We got $800 in profits, and basically I'm gonna fix this profit. And let's do this, guys. Withdrawal, well, so USDT, $600 in total, I guess. Well, we got it, and press the continue button. And that's it, guys. Our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen as usual. So guys, very productive trading session. What do you think about the strategy? Share with me in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel. So guys, bye bye.